your girl is back. If you guys just watched that full video, then you guys know what this video is. It is time for the unboxing video. So for this video, I'm just going to plug this right on up to my ring light. Because I ain't got time, y'all. I ain't got time to be holding this and be trying to explain to y'all these unboxing stuff as well. So this is what we're going to do. I'm just going to stay seated as well. Adjust and keep it moving. Hopefully, oh, that's perfect. That's perfect. All right, y'all got view. Y'all got view. Turn the light on. Ah, perfect. Bruh. I'm so retarded, y'all. Anyway, I'm so retarded. Okay, y'all. These are some icicle ornaments for the Christmas tree. I'm going to be doing a blue Christmas tree in here. It's ombre, y'all. It's not here yet. It's not here yet. I think it's supposed to arrive on Friday. And if it does arrive on Friday, I think we'll put it up on Friday, y'all. I do have to reorganize the living room. So definitely want to get that done. But yeah, I want to do that. But these are beautiful already. This is what they're looking like, y'all. Crystallized. I don't even know if y'all can see these. I'm taking them out of the pack. These are so pretty. And they're just in different shapes and sizes. Like the snowflakes. They're so pretty, y'all. And they have like a little hole where you can put like the put string in them. I don't know if I'm gonna use string or not. I might just find like the huge hooks, icicles, the huge hooks, and put those on there. But it looks like there's 3 different types of snowflakes in there. And then you have the large icicle, and then you have a smaller type of crystal. These are really pretty. And I got 2 packs of these. Or did I get 3? All right, y'all, I got 3 packs of these. And then I have dinosaur case. So my idea for TK's tree will be revealed on TK's room, but this goes for TK's room, and it's going to be part of TK's tree, y'all. TK's tree is also going to be a new investment as well. Interesting idea coming. So I hope you guys are going to like the idea I have coming for that too. Definitely going to be something different, even though it's something different every year. And then this is so this is the light up trees. So these are LED trees, y'all. These go outside. These are the LED trees, right? Oh yeah, these are the LED trees, y'all. So basically we stake these into the ground. Are they attached? Oh man, they are attached. So spread these out. We stake these into the ground. I'm just going to put them pretty much the back area. Like around my, I don't know if you guys have seen outside. I probably should rake like my mom told me to. But I don't feel like raking, so this stuff is gonna be like literally on top of leaves, y'all. But we're gonna be spreading these trees out. These lights are different colors, and they're snowflakes. We are going to wrap the lights around them, and then once they're wrapped around them, they are solar. They're solarized. We stick them into the ground, and then from there, they will light up after they're charged. So there's that. I'm gonna put that on my outside stuff. So you guys know from last year, I had one tree that went out. One of my pretty light up waterfall trees went out. It had a shortage in it, and I don't know what happened, but it stopped working completely, so I can't use it anymore. The other one, it does work, but I think it was pretty much on this last limb. I don't know if it still works this year or not. We will be seeing today. So we're definitely gonna be trying it. Definitely gonna be trying it. And we got our blow-ups, y'all. So we have some blow-ups. The girl bought some blow-ups for real. This is the Christmas tree inflatable, I think. Is it? They don't even tell you which one it is. It just comes in a freaking box. Alright, y'all. I guess y'all just gonna have to see the inflatable once I inflate it up. Okay, my bad. Because they don't tell me which one it is. So I'll put that one over there too. And then this one. So this one does tell you what it is. I got me a cute little polar bear with a present. And then this one doesn't tell you what it is either. Like, what is up with this not telling me what it is? So it's another one. Let me see. Christmas inflatable. Nope, it don't say. It just say inflatable. Alright, y'all. So we just got all these inflatables with no indication on what they're inflating. And got some pull back dinosaur toys. So, ride on dinosaurs. TK's room, y'all. Stay tuned. I'm telling y'all, the ideas I have for this tree are gonna be lit, y'all. This garland is going with the Candyland theme. It is so freaking pretty. So freaking pretty. 2 packs. And then I have some silver garland. Really thick silver garland. 2 packs of that. Another set of dinosaurs. I think I have enough doggone dinosaurs, bro. We don't need no more dinosaurs. We really don't need more dinosaurs. Dinosaurs. Oh, put up in the back in the box. And then this is, what is this? Oh, these my icicle lights? Or is this my tree? This is, so these are some icicle trees. Now, I've been really debating, y'all, on whether or not I'm going to put these inside or outside. I think I am going to put these inside. Because I don't really trust these to go outside with like the cold temperatures. And they don't come with stakes. So they'll be easily knocked over for one. And then there's nothing like on here. Yeah, there's nothing on here to kind of stabilize them to hold them in the ground. These are the smaller ones anyway. Yeah, so these were going to go on the mantle. They're white and they're flowy. So from the tips, they'll be like white lights, like a waterfall. And are these battery operated?
Bruh.
Oh wow, they don't come with a plug. Oh y'all, they did me dirty. So they gave me the cord, but they don't come with plugs. So we have our plugs, y'all. Got plugs. That's unfortunate. All right, so we have those. We have those. And then I have another set. Is this another one? Yeah, this is just the same thing, y'all. Same exact thing. Yeah, another set of them. So we have 2 sets of those, and I need 4 plugs to go in the outlet. Great. Great. And then one more inflatable, y'all. One more inflatable. So out of the inflatables that I have here, I can tell you guys right now, I'm missing a gingerbread man. That's actually sitting on a present. That's going to be one of these unknowns. And then I also have a kind of, looks like a candy cane arch with a, I want to say snowman and a snowman on one end and a Santa on the other end. And then I think I have another one with a gingerbread man, if I'm not mistaken. But that is it, y'all. So yeah, that is it for this unboxing video. We are going to commence this one, and then we are going to jump right into starting this outside decoration, y'all, before it starts getting too late and too dark. And I think I am going to actually order me food today, because I'm not going to have time to start cooking if I'm planning on doing all of this. Yeah, this is the one with the snowman. So getting into it, y'all. Let's go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this first unboxing video. Stay tuned for the next one. I will see you guys soon. Bye.